We are going to review Sunny Space Lash Seeker Mascara. So, may kasama na siyang eyelash curler and we're going to review it right now. So, i-review natin tong eyelash curler nila. Let's see kung nakaka-curl siya. Kasi ito yung process eh. I have thin lashes kaya ibira lang to. Tapos, let's see. Okay. Madali siyang gamitin guys ha. Then, let's try this one. Mascara. And it has a tip. A mini na spoolie. Parang konti lang yung product. Parang, ayan. Hindi siya nakakahaba ng lashes, pero maganda yung pagkaano sa eyelash ko. Let's see sa baba. Sa baba, okay. Okay. Paano kaya pag natagin? Lagyan natin ng product. Dun nag-intensify. Dun nag-amount. So, in this product, kailangan mong i-build up siya ng not just once, but twice. And best use is with this curling eyelash curler. Perfect pair itong lash seeker ng Sunny and this eyelash curler.